Hi, I'm Jarrod, Project Lead, and today I'm going to show you the immovable grid hack. I'm sure you have to deal with this on a regular basis. People moving your grids around and you constantly having to figure out who moved it. Why are they moving it? It got deleted. What happened? So today, what we're going to do is we're just going to place our grids. Next up, we're going to do is create a design option. So go down to the bottom of your screen here, click on design options. We're going to create a new option set. We're going to rename that set. We're going to call it grids. And let's call them immovable grids. Bang, rename the design option. Because we always want these on and we always have these as primary. I can close this, it's all done. Now we're going to go over to that design option. Grids always on. And what we're going to do is we're going to untick this active only. Select all of the grids that we've just created. We're going to move these over and add them to the set. Now that we've got them in the set, we can select them again, and we're going to just pin them. Once we've done that, we go back over to the main model. We're going to click on this drop down and go to main model. We're in the main model. We can try and click on these, but that is not possible. So that should help solve new users from moving your grids around. There's still a way around this is by firstly clicking back into the design option or by unticking those exclude options. But naturally in Revit, that is always ticked on, and every time you click off something, that'll re-tick back on. So there is a little bit of a safety mechanism in that. But as you can see, I am able to select them when it is unticked. So now if I press escape a few times, you can see it's ticked back on and we should be okay. Good thing about this is we can still dimension to these items. So you can see if I click on DI, the hotkey for dimensions, you can see that I'm still able to dimension. So that shouldn't be an issue. You should still be able to dimension to any objects and to the grids that are sitting in your design option. If you enjoyed this video, then here's how you can do curved glazing in Revit. You might find that interesting. Remember to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Cheers.